Welcome to Food and Nutrition Expert channel. In today's video, I will show you.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to Fat. Today I'm going to teach you how to make okpa using aluminium plates instead of nylon. All of us know that using nylon is very dangerous to our health, but using aluminium plates are very good because the nylon might melt inside your okpa and someone will eat it and it will cause a lot of problems. It is said that using nylon can have an adverse effect, which can lead to cancer and so many other diseases. So today I'm going to teach you how to make okpa flour using aluminum plates. This aluminum plate is the original aluminum plate. I got it from AliExpress. You can check the description below to be able to buy your own. This aluminum plate is very easy to wash, very easy to use, and it's very fast to cook. You can cook the okpa very fast. So if you want to get this aluminum plate, you can check the description below for your own aluminum plates. Now, the ingredients we are going to use for cooking okpa flour are: we have bambara nut flour, that is the bambara nut. This is the bambara nut. It is being grounded and filtered to make this flour. So these are bambara nut flour. We have pepper, and then I have onions here. I'm going to blend it with the pepper with my blender to be able to use it for because this one is homemade okpa. This one is not commercial made. Commercial made, they don't usually use onions, but this one homemade because we want to make it to be nutritious and healthy for the family. And we are also going to use red oil, that's palm oil. This palm oil, I'm using 1 cup of palm oil for 3 cups of okpa flour. I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of salt, or 1 according to taste. I'm going to use my salt according to taste. Watch and see how to the tricks. There's a lot of tricks in using aluminium plates to cook okpa. You know, so many people use this plate to make moi moi. You can also use it to make your own moi moi or to make your own different food, pudding. Some people use it for baking. I'm going to start blending my pepper now and then boil my water. I'm going to use lukewarm water to mix the okpa flour. I'll blend my pepper and the onions and then I'll mix them. Let's start. Watch. So now I have washed my pepper and sliced my onions. As you can see, it's time to blend them. Use my blender and blend it before mixing them with my warm water and okpa flour. I added warm water here and cold ordinary water so that it will be lukewarm. As I grind, I'll use and start mixing my okpa. So let me start. So now I've finished blending my pepper and my onions in the blender. So it's time to start mixing the okpa flour. First of all, I will take the pepper that I grinded. I'll now remove it and pour inside. It's time to start mixing the okpa in the red oil first. First of all, I'm going to measure out my 3 cups of okpa. This is okpa flour made from bambara nuts. Measure my 3 cups of okpa. 1, 2, 3. So now I pour my okpa here. I'll mix it with the red oil a little bit. Then I'll start adding the blended pepper and the onions. I'll start adding it little by little. I add little, I'll mix little by little. I'll add again. I'll mix it. Just be adding the water little by little. So some people normally use their hands to mix it, but me, I use my wooden stick or wooden spoon to mix my own okpa. So I'll just be adding the water mixed with pepper and onions, little by little. At this point, you must have added your salt when you're mixing, or if you want, you can add salt after mixing it when you get the consistency that you need. Little by little. Little by little. Because it's the mixture that will make it to come out well. If you don't mix it well, it will not come out well. I'll add little again. Remember, I added warm water into the grounded pepper and onions. So mix little by little. Add little again. That's the trick. Mix it little by little. Don't pour all the water at a go. It will make it not to come out well. This is the secret of making okpa at home. Secret of getting the mixture properly without any lumps in the mixture. Just little by little, just be pouring it. Just exercise some patience and mix it. Then add little again. Make sure that the pepper and everything are blended with it little by little. Little by little, then add the last one so I get my lukewarm water. Keep on mixing. If you're not satisfied with the oil that you added previously, you can add little oil before you finish mixing so that the oil will not stay by the side. Don't add that oil after mixing everything. It's when before you finish mixing. Like now, I'm still mixing so that to blend well with your salt. Add your lukewarm water. I told you before, don't pour all the water at a go. Even though you know how many cups of water you are using. Like me, I use 4 cups of water. Mix 3 cups of water. 4 cups of water. To mix 3 cups of water. But you have to consider when you are blending your pepper. The water you poured when you are blending your pepper is included in the 4 cups so that you will get it properly. If you also want to buy okpa flour, we also sell it. I sell okpa flour, I process okpa flour, I have bambara nuts, and I sell the flour. You can also call from the description below. You can check the number and call and purchase your own okpa flour. No matter where you are, we'll get you. Okpa flour is very available in a very cheaper rate. So keep on mixing. If you have not liked this channel and if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please try and subscribe now. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, let's keep doing it. Mix. Watch your, because at this point, I will show you the time when you're supposed to pour your water completely. And then you mix a little bit and start pouring in the plates. Now you can pour lots of water now and mix, because now it cannot form lumps again because we have already mixed it properly already. The next thing I'm going to do now, add more water and then complete my mixing. As I'm mixing, I'm adding to see if I'm getting the consistency that I want. Or but it's not like moi moi. Don't make it to be too thick. If you make it to be too thick, it will be so hard for you to eat because it can swell. It's a very good protein for you and your family. But it's good for diabetic, it's good for children, it's good for adults, it's good for youths, it's good for at any age, it's good for babies, even infants that have started eating, it's good for them. So, have you seen the consistency? This is how it's supposed to be. So that when you pour it in the plate and you start cooking, to cook fast. Right now, if you have not liked and subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm getting ready to pour the Okpa mixture into the plate so that I can start cooking. Watch out to understand the trick. This one is a tricky part, but when you finish cooking it, preparing it like this, it always come out right and it will come with a delicious taste. No impurities, and this will nourish your body. Keep watching. It's like you mix it well, but before you put in your plate, you have to make sure that your water has started boiling. That's the first trick. Make sure that your water has started pouring, has started boiling. Boil the water. Make sure the water is boiling very well before you start pouring it in the plate. And when the water has boiled, you see how I'm going to do it. Keep watching. This is the mixture. Okay. Now the water has started boiling because I left this there for some time. Now that the water has started boiling, I'll start putting the mixture in the aluminum plates and cover them. So I'll mix it well. Make sure you always mix. That's the second trick. Anytime you leave for some time, make sure you mix it back. Mix the under very well so that it will be well mixed. So it's time to pour. I'm going to pour in 2 cups in a plate. Or you can make it any quantity you want. But the third trick is that anyone you put, you cover it and take it to the pot. That immediately, the boiling water, immediate, don't wait. That's the third trick. So I'm going to take this one to the boiling water. So the next one, anyone you put, you take it to the pot immediately and cover it. If you don't do like that, you'll not like what you see. You'll not like what you get. As you can see, now that I'm here, I'm going to add the next one, then cover it. You cover all of them. That's the cooking. Can you see it? Cooking in the aluminum plates. So what I'll do now is to cover the pot. Allow it to cook for 25 minutes. See you in 25 minutes time. Subscribe now. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now and like this video. If you have not subscribed and like this video, you are missing a lot because a lot of things are going to come up very soon. We're going to teach a lot of things. Remember, I told you I'm a food scientist and I'm going to guide you on how to make your meal to be delicious in a healthy way. It's time to check the Okpa now to see how it's doing. Even though it's remaining about 2 minutes more for it to be done. Can you see it? Can you see how it's doing? Cooking well. That is how it is doing. We'll come back and then bring it down. Now our Okpa is done. Now that it's done, I'm going to on off the gas and allow it to cool for some time. You know, it's an aluminium plate. It can be very hot at this point. So I'm going to allow it to cool down for some time, and then I'll bring it out from the pot. Welcome back. The Okpa is done. Now let's unveil the result of our Okpa made with aluminum plates. Wow. Can you see that? So delicious. It all came out well. Wow. You can serve it like this with a cup of chilled water or with any chilled drink of your acceptable choice. You can also use tea or chocolate drink and take it. It's very nice. Whoa. Now I'm going to put one in a plate so that you see how it came out. If you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. What are you still waiting for? Like and subscribe. This is the result of the Okpa flour. To remove it so that it will come out properly, I'll use the back of my fork, pull it round, and then pour it in my plate. Whoa, what are you going to say about this? So nice, so delicious, and it's strong. Yes, so have you seen it? Very nice. Very nice. After making this Okpa with this aluminum plate, you will call for more. This plate is the best plate to use and make Okpa because, as you can see, the middle, everything is not too soft, it's not too hard, it's looking so nice. It can also be used to make moi moi, that beans moi moi. Very good, very nice. Just check the link below in the description and order for your own plates. Easy to wash. This one is not those ones that stick. This one is not stick. Easy to wash and very good, healthy, very good. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please do that now. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Fatu's Place. This is still Fatu.